Good morning, friends. In 11th standard, in first chapter, you will learn several terminologies like molarity, molality, mole fraction, etc. So, from chapter number 11, in board examination, the points should be chosen for question are generally in form of numericals. So, today we are discussing some extra numericals about molarity, molality, and mole fraction with some extra formulas. So I will write point number 1, that is about molarity. So as you learn that what you mean by molarity, then you have two formulas. In your 11th standard CBSE textbook only one formula is given, but I will give additional formula also. So I will write both formula of molarity. Molarity symbol is M. Molarity M is equals to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution. Volume of solution in liters. So this is the first formula of molarity according to your textbook. But other formula that you can also apply when numerical should be asked in exam. So other formula is molarity M is equals to mass of solute in a gram. Instead of mass you can also write weight upon molecular weight of solute into volume of solution, volume of solution in liter. So this is the second formula of molarity. So you can choose any one of them. So now we will discuss some extra numerical on the base of molarity. So I will write illustration or example that 4 gram NaOH is dissolved into 5 liter of aqueous solution. Then calculate concentration of resultant solution in terms of molarity. So this is the question in form of numerical. So here we have to target on solute and solvent. The less quantity is called as a solute and more amount compound means more quantity it is considered as a solvent. So here NaOH which is considered as a solute and 5 liter aqueous solution which is considered as a solvent. So I will choose formula number 2. You are also able to choose equation number formula number 1, but formula number 1 that you repeatedly learn in past. So we will discuss about formula number 2, that given data are, first of all you have to write given. Which data are given? So I will write molecular weight of NaOH. It is 40 gram per mole. How can we say that? Atomic weight of sodium is 23, oxygen is 16 and hydrogen is 1. 23 plus 16 plus 1 total 40 gram per mole. Now weight of NaOH or weight of solute. Solute is in the term of NaOH. How many weight is given of solute? Only 4 gram. So I will write 4 gram. Volume of solution is also given. So volume of solution, it is total 5 liter. So I will write 5 liter. So these data are given. Now on the base of this data you have to put an equation. So I will write a formula. Molarity M is equals to mass of NaOH in gram upon molecular weight of NaOH into volume of solution into liter. So put down the values. So if I will put down the value, mass of NaOH is 4 gram upon molecular weight is 40 and volume is 5 liter. So summation, simplification will give answer 0.02, but at the end you have to follow by word molar, or instead of word you are also allowed to write symbol M. So this is the answer. So this is about molarity. Now number 2 is molality. So it also having two formulas. That formula number 1, it having symbol small m. Molality M is equal to number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kilogram. Mass of solvent in kilogram. This is the first formula which is given in your textbook, but extra formula that you are also able to write, that molality M is equals to mass or weight of solute in a gram upon molecular weight of solute into weight of solvent in kilogram quantity. This is the important point. So in case of molarity you have to deal with volume in liter. In case of molality you have to deal with weight in kilogram, but it is about solvent. So on the base of these two formula we will discuss about extra numerical. That extra example, when a solution is formed by dissolving 149 gram KOH. KOH means potassium hydroxide into 1.5 kilogram solvent. Then calculate the concentration of solution in terms of molality. So here we have to calculate molality. Let's check which one is a solute, which one is a solvent. So 149 gram less quantity, it is solute. 1.5 kilogram more quantity, it is our solvent. So we will choose formula number 2 for your convenience as well as our convenience. So according to formula number 2, molecular weight given data are, I will write as a given data. So given data are molecular weight of KOH, molecular weight of KOH, it is 56 gram per mole. How it is 56? So we will discuss that weight of atomic mass of potassium is 39, oxygen is 16, hydrogen is 1, 39 plus 16 plus 1, total 56 gram. Weight of KOH, weight of KOH already given 149 gram. And third parameter that we require is weight of solvent. Weight of solvent, it is 1.5 kilogram. So these data are given. So on the base of this data, we'll put the formula. We have formula molality is equals to weight of solute or mass of solute in term of gram upon molecular weight into weight of solvent in kilogram. So on the base of this formula, we'll put the value. So weight of solute is 149 gram, which is given over here. Molecular weight that we find, it is 56 gram per mole, and weight of solvent in kilogram, it is 1.5 kilogram. So answer is 1.77. The word is follow as a molal. So if you are not interested to write in words molal, simply you can follow by its symbol small m. So this is all about molality of resultant solution. Now third parameter which is important for your exam is a mole fraction. So we will write parameter number 3, mole fraction. The symbol of mole fraction is X. This is the symbol of mole fraction. So we have formula mole fraction X is equal to moles of given component upon total moles. This is the formula of molality. Now the sum of molality equals to 1. So important point is sum of mole fraction always equals to 1. It should not more than 1. So sum of mole fraction should be equals to 1. Now on the base of this formula, we have one challenging numerical that I will write in form of example, that a solution is formed by dissolving 4 gram NaOH into 180 gram water. Then find out mole fractions of NaOH and water. So this is the question in form of numerical, that we have to find a mole fraction of NaOH as well as water. So here first of all we will choose 4 gram less quantity means it is a solute, 180 gram more quantity means it is a solvent. So in formula of mole fraction we require moles. So first of all we have to target on moles. So I will divide answer into different type. Number 1, N is a symbol of moles. So first of all I will find moles of NaOH. It is called as the N means moles of NaOH. Formula N is equal to W upon M. W means weight, M means molecular weight. Weight of NaOH is given 4 gram, molecular weight is 40 gram. That's why moles are 0.1 mole. This is the first answer. Now similar I will find number 2 about moles of water. N is equal to W upon M. A same formula is applicable. So what is the weight of water which is given over here? 180 gram. And molecular weight of water is 18. So we get 10 mole. So number 1 moles of NaOH, number 2 moles of water. Number 3 total moles. N total is equals to 0.1 mole plus 10 mole is equal to 10.1 mole. So here we will discuss about total moles. Now it is very easy. We have moles of each component according to formula total moles. Now put down the values for X is a symbol of mole fraction and we are interested to find out mole fraction of NaOH. So I will write mole fraction of NaOH is equals to mole of NaOH upon total moles. So moles of NaOH are 0.1 mole which is given over here upon total moles which are 10.1. So we get answer 0.0099. This is the answer of mole fraction of NaOH. Now same formula is applied for mole fraction of water is equal to mole of water upon total moles. So mole of water which are find over here 10 upon total mole is 10.1 from here. So our answer is 0.9901 through calculator. So look over here, mole fraction of NaOH which are find over here, mole fraction of water which are find over here, and this statement we have to prove that sum of mole fraction X of NaOH plus X of water should be equals to 0.0099 plus 0.9901 is approximate 1. So here we will prove that sum of mole fraction should be equals to 1. So you have to completely learn according to its point. According to mole fraction X is equal to mole of given component upon total mole. So first of all I will find moles of each component, then total mole. It is very simple for me. Now check this numerical.